Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we'll be doing a walkthrough of an app called as Helios. So basically this app is a time tracking app which can be used by many of the freelancers or people who are working on hourly basis for some project or some given task. So let's get to the mobile screen and explore its UI. So this is the app guys, Helios. So I have already downloaded the app. It has 5 rating. So let's just open the app. So as soon as you open, you have a timer interface open. So I've already created 2 stopwatches, 2 projects for myself. So these are the like projects. So you have option of projects and tasks. So basically a project which has multiple number of tasks. This is how the hierarchy goes. So if we go into projects, we have 2 projects, and it also shows like it has 1 task and I have worked 1 minute on it, and the project demo has 2 tasks and I have worked 30 minutes on it, and it also shows the currency what I have earned working on this. So here's the statistics, like whatever I have worked on. So let's just add one new project. So as you open, you get an option to add a task. So you can name it anything. So let's name it first task. So you have your hourly rate depending upon the currency. So you need to select the currency. So you have limited options for currency. It's not available in INR. So basically what I believe is there are no Indian clients who work on hourly basis, so that's the reason they are not using the INR currency. So we have euros, US dollars, Bitcoin, and there are many more other currencies, so you can select accordingly. And then you also have an option to change your rate, like whatever is the rate per hour. So for here I have selected 10 USD for an hour. So let's just add this first task to a project. So we can add it to existing project or we can create a new project. So let's just create a new project called as first project. Just save. So you can assign different colors also to projects. So you can select different colors, whatever you want. Save. And as you press save, so here's the new project added. So as you click on this, so you just need to activate this project. So yes, it's activated. So let's just go back. Let's just go to the timer screen. So here it is, first project, first task. So similar way you get it for demo and what I have created, ABCDEF task. And as you see, the project name is 123 and the task name is ABC, and similarly demo and test. So this and this comes under same project, but there are 2 different tasks. So similarly this is first project and has 1 task. So we can tap it here and the timing starts. So after 15 minutes, I have set the timer for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, I'll get a notification that your timing is over. Your timing for this project is over. It's enough. You need not to work more. So similarly, this is what the stats looks like. So here I have earned €1 on working on this project. Here there were 2 activities. So I worked for 30 minutes and I have earned $6. So similar way you can track your all the activities. It keeps the data, it keeps the statistics of each and every day. So as you can see, it's 31st July. It shows like first project, first task, 1 2 3. ABC is the task name, the project name is demo, test, and ABCD, these are the 2 tasks. So this keeps data of all your projects and all your tasks you have been working on. So yes, that's it for today's video. See you in the next video. Bye bye.